miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Donmily Hair. We work with them a lot because I really like them. We probably upload from them, if not, probably once every couple of weeks because they have some amazing hair. If you look down in the description box, you will see a direct link to their site, their social medias, and this wig. Y'all know I don't know what's in this box because I like to open it with y'all. Okay. Not only did they send the wig, they also sent the little baggie of stuff. You know, you get your eyelashes, the clamps, some stocking caps, and a scarf, and another headband. Y'all don't care about that. Y'all care about this. I'm gonna be reading directly off of here, boo. This is a 14-inch Jerry curl wig. Something simple, something to the point. I'm hoping that it ain't got this big ass parting space like a 98 by 42. And it does have a lot of parting space. So for you wig slayers, you will love this. Okay, y'all know I'm a 4x4, 5x5 girl. Look. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get all of this parting space. A comb to the right, a comb to the left. All right. And how long did I say this was, y'all? 14 inches, I think. All right, before we cut off this lace, let me plop on my head. This is going to be pretty. Okay, because you get all that parting space, there's a lot that you can do with this, huh? Let's cut off this lace, and then I'll come back with my final. Y'all, this is the kind of wig that's right up my alley because it is so beginner friendly. And y'all know I normally don't go for a large parting space like that because I'm not about to be gluing and tacking and all of that. But even though you have a lot of parting space, this wig is so effortless. All I did was swoop a few of them baby hairs. That hairline looks pretty good. And I wet this wig. And this is what we got. I was also nervous about it being so short and curly, but I think that this length works out just fine, okay? And they also make this in a longer length if you are looking to, if you don't like it as short. They make longer versions of this wig. I've actually reviewed, I want to say the same wig by them, but in a longer length, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love this one. I 1010% can recommend that you pick this one up. Y'all, this is just, it's so cute. It's so natural, huh? Perfect for spring, perfect for summer as we try to beat this heat because it is already coming, okay? Down here in the South, I be sweating in places I didn't know I could sweat. So a wig at this length is absolutely bomb and needed during this heat season that we entering into. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Tanya. Maybe it's your uncle, who I'm gonna say? Your uncle Otis. Whichever one. Send them. send them my way, and me and Donmily here will get them together. This is a wig that is perfect for beginners or a wig slayer. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.